Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert Figma design to WordPress. All right, let's begin. First, open Figma and make sure your design is organized. Clean layer names, group sections, and properly sized frames for desktop, tablet, and mobile will help ensure a smooth conversion. Open your project, select the file, and navigate to the frame you want to convert, usually the home page. Next, right-click on the canvas, go to Plugins, and search for a Figma to WordPress plugin. You can use tools like Yotako or similar plugins. Launch the plugin and allow the required permissions so it can access your design. Now, click the Share button in Figma and copy the file link. Make sure the file has the correct access permissions so the plugin can read it. Return to the plugin panel and paste the link into the input field. Then, click Continue. The plugin will analyze your design, export assets, and prepare the WordPress output. Once the process is complete, follow the prompts to download or finalize the conversion. After that, upload it to a WordPress site, preferably a staging environment, and test responsiveness across devices. So that's basically how you can convert Figma design to WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.